20 years ago, something remarkable happened. We stood together against one of the most serious health threats the world has ever faced. Little did we know that we were writing the first chapter of a new legacy. A legacy that stands on the shoulders of multiple generations across the globe. From the early pioneers who dared to believe in the potential of a better future,
to fight a common threat,
to a brand new generation of advocates who are destined to lead us to a tobacco-free world. On that eventful day in 2003, at the groundbreaking 56th World Health Assembly, we witnessed a paradigm shift in ensuring people's right to the highest standard of health, the adoption of the WHO Framework Convention on Tobacco Control.
An effective framework convention obliges us all, inspires action.
WHO Framework Convention on Tobacco Control are adopted.
Over the years, the WHO FCTC has played a vital role in the reduction of tobacco use worldwide. Since its inception, the WHO FCTC has been the driving force in tobacco control, establishing commitments and providing guidance and support on a wide range of measures, from regulations on tobacco advertising and packaging to higher taxes on tobacco products, bans on smoking in public places, and legal victories against the tobacco industry. Today, we stand proud, 182 parties strong, representing more than 90% of the world's population, determined to end the tobacco epidemic. But the fight is far from over. The tobacco epidemic remains one of the most serious global threats the human race and Mother Nature have ever faced. Every year, tobacco kills 8 million people worldwide, mainly in low and middle-income countries, where 80% of the world's smokers live. And that annual toll includes 1.2 million deaths just from exposure to second-hand smoke, over $1 trillion in healthcare costs and lost productivity, and the staggering loss of 600 million trees, 200,000 hectares of land, 22 billion tons of water, and the production of 84 million tons of CO2. The impact of tobacco on sustainable development can no longer be ignored. As we celebrate the 20th anniversary of the adoption of the WHO FCTC, we vow to build on our legacy of fighting for a tobacco-free world for generations to come. History is meant to be written by those who dare to believe that a better, healthier, and more equitable world is possible. Let's continue writing history together.